Want a handheld gaming PC? I would recommend the $700 Lenovo Legion Go over a Steam Deck. Windows 11 isn't nearly as convenient and portable as Valve's Steam OS for playing Windows games on the go. Even Microsoft knows that. But even if it's not the best portable game console, it's a nifty portable PC that can absolutely play games. For the right kind of Windows gadgeteer, the Lenovo Legion Go might narrowly be worth the cash. Though it's roughly the same price as an Asus ROG Ally, Lenovo's 8.8-inch portable has all kinds of tricks up its sleeve. It's a powerful Windows tablet with a pair of detachable Nintendo Switch-like wireless controllers and a full-width kickstand. The better to play at a table, stand up vertically for reading, or dock to a TV. It also has two USB-C ports, each with 40 Gbps of USB 4 bandwidth, so you can plug in a keyboard or SSD, or even a Thunderbolt 3 external GPU without removing your charger lead. The Steam Deck and ROG Ally only have one USB-C socket each, but the Legion Go's biggest advantage is simple. It has a significantly bigger screen. I wouldn't say it's the best handheld screen. There's absolutely no beating the Steam Deck OLED when it comes to rich color, deep blacks, explosive HDR, and usability in a dim bedroom. Meanwhile, the ROG Ally's variable refresh rate makes everything smoother. Games often feel faster on the Ally, even when the Legion Go is technically delivering more frames per second. But Lenovo's glossy 8.8-inch 2560 by 1600, 144 Hz, 500 nit and 97% DCI P3 Gorilla Glass 5 covered screen makes a difference. It's the one that's big, crisp, and fast enough. It can double as a decent Windows tablet for web browsing, reading, and streaming video. Perhaps more importantly, I don't feel I'm squinting as much when I play games. The Lenovo Legion Go is a bit faster than the competition. Anecdotally, it was the fastest to download games. We saw 750 Mbps peak download speeds over Wi-Fi 6, the fastest to charge its 50 watt-hour battery, and the fastest in most of our test bed games, as long as you're willing to give its AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip a little gas, that is. So does the Legion Go at least offer more battery life than the Asus ROG Ally due to its 20% larger battery pack? I did get an extra 41 minutes of Dave the Diver on the Legion Go, but battery life was almost identical in Shadow of the Tomb Raider and Dirt Rally and lasted just 16 minutes longer in Armored Core. With the Legion Go, the battery always feels like it's visibly ticking down, and like other Windows handhelds, it ticks even faster when close to empty. The Legion Go is an intriguing cross between a Microsoft Surface and a Nintendo Switch, but with gaming chops that surpass both. I wouldn't be surprised if the next version comes with an optional Surface-like folding keyboard cover.